Hey, welcome back to the iVue Robotics channel. As you may have just watched in our part 1 video of the world's largest claw machine, we announced that we are going to be hosting day 2 of the event, which was just this last Saturday, which had a great turnout despite not being the largest crowd. Many people who showed up had never even flown a drone before, let alone develop air, and were still able to win some great prizes. And then just to that end, this wouldn't be possible without everyone who took the time, effort, and money to donate some of these prizes for the game. And I just wanted to mention that these have all been donated after the fact, so they haven't gone to waste, and they're now hopefully being enjoyed by a kid that received them from the local Toys for Tots branch. So with that being said, take a look at this compilation from the event, and I'll catch up with you here at the end. Welcome to the world's largest claw machine game. Before we get started and show you what this is all about, I want to make a quick shout out to everyone that made this possible, including to everyone on the iVue Robotics team, and then everyone that helped donate prizes. You'll see those people at the end of the video. This wouldn't have been possible without you. Thank you. Arm.
Alright, so attempt 2. Now with the fresh batteries, we're going to go for another prize. Oh, that's close. I think that's... Is that in between? Oh, that's the claw machine guy and doesn't drag too well, unfortunately. Yeah. There we go. Oh. I think if you just get back in that position and then give it the blower there, you're golden. Come in, you don't trust him? You are so close.
Just a smidge that way. Whoop.
What's over there? Might be able to retract it just a little bit, and then... No safety.
Oh. And you blew it over, but that actually might be easier. Well, let's see. Very responsive.
Where the wind is coming. I mean, some random stranger that happened to come out and touch the wind.
Right, synced up.
It looks like he's going for the AirPods. Oh my goodness. Oh, you might have them though. Literally just throwing develop air at the prize is Coven's strategy.
I'm trying to go down, but it's very fun.
Oh my goodness. Literally could not get any closer without actually picking it up. That prop wash. Let me go see if I can straighten out the carabiner. Don't lower it. 1 minute in. Of course it straightened itself out. Alright. 1 minute left to play in this round anyway.
Yeah, but wait, am I doing the right thing?
No, something's up with the claw, so it's just not responding properly. You're probably going to have to you know, we got all the bugs worked out before we invited people out.
Yeah. God, this is so difficult. Oh my god.
Still good on battery life. gonna try to go back for that ball again? So now it's facing this way, so if you hit forward. Still good. Alright, where are we at on time?
2 minutes 30.
Alright.
Oh, so.
Alright, looks like we lined up somewhat up over the prize there. I have it. Oh, just a little off to the left. Well, how are we looking on time?
1 minute 30.
All right. Halfway through the round. 2 minutes down, 1 minute remaining. And he's just about over that red orb that looks like he's here. And he is off again, just a little far ahead of it. I mean, you're not doing too bad for your first attempt.
Maybe the.
Back forward.
Come on, man. Grab it!
I have not yet seen the drag work. Wow, it's trying to pick up the whole drum part.
30 seconds remaining.
The raise is so slow. Oh, wait. Oh. No, okay.
The person who helped us make this claw machine doesn't know his left from his right, but somehow we are able to make this work.
10.
And by the way, any of those balls is a $10 gift card of your choice and a $2 discount.
Is this magnetic?
Oh, no, but I think you got something. All right. So come back over to the landing zone and then just press X on the controller.
Press X, okay.
Yeah. All right. We got ourselves a winner, ladies and gentlemen.
Wait, don't say anything yet. I might not get on the pad.
So yeah, if you press X now, it will land itself. All right. Totally what you wanted, right? Yeah.
Yeah, exactly, man, exactly.
Actually, I did more.
Try. Yeah.
Oh, look at that. We got ourselves a winner, ladies and gentlemen. Can't you get it back over the landing zone? And it's coming down. All right. Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Almost out the speed. Yeah.
Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, so close. Bit forward. Forward. Going for that big orb, but I don't think he's got it.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Alright, I'll say come back in.
No shot. Alright.
Come back in for the landing.
I need my car cleaned!
First try. Alright. I think go ahead, start a 30-second timer. And,
Alright.
Am I
30
close?
seconds.
I think you need to go. You might be there. To the left. Oh man, that's it right there. Lower.
No!
Ah!
That french fry is mocking me.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
What?
1.
You just need to lower there. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. While we would have loved to see you at the event, feel free to share this with your family and friends. let them know that we'll be hosting events like this throughout 2024. Of course, if you have any ideas for activities or events that you would like to see done with Develop Air, feel free to leave those in the comments section below. We'd also be more than happy to help you build your own Develop Air or give us ideas for attachments or software to make it easier to control or more useful, especially in our Discord server. You can check that out as well. And if nothing else, we'll see you in the new year. Thank you.